Hello and welcome to the Complete Excel 2016 course, where I will take you from Excel Beginner to Excel Pro in a single, fun, easy to follow course. My goal here is to get you feeling comfortable and confident using Excel in the workplace so you can impress yourself, impress your boss, your coworkers, and hopefully get the raise, promotion, or new job that you deserve. Hi, I'm Steve McDonald. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm so grateful that you're checking out this course. I love teaching. My talent is taking complex, intimidating subjects and making them simple and easy to learn, and almost even fun. I'm very involved with my students, so anytime you need any help, please just shoot me a message or ask in the discussions, and I will be glad to help you out in any way that I can. So let's take a look at what you're going to learn in this course. In this course, we're going to start at the very beginning with a blank Excel spreadsheet. And I'm going to give you a tour of all the tools on this ribbon so you have an idea of what they all do and what the possibilities are in Excel. Then I'm going to show you how to create your own spreadsheet. We're going to create this simple kitchen remodel cost worksheet so you can get some hands-on practice with things like formatting headings, entering data into cells, navigating around, and formatting different cells for dollars, column headings, and more. I'll show you how to save and name your file so you can find it and use it later. Then I'll show you how to create formulas. And here's an example of a formula. You can see the formula right there in the formula bar. I'm going to show you how to do that so you can add up a column of numbers, and then I will teach you over 20 of the most common functions that people use in Excel, and I'll walk you through each one and how to do it effectively. I'm going to show you how to create pivot tables so you can do analysis with lightning speed, and then I'm going to show you how to create charts from your pivot tables as well so you can analyze your data and then put it into a nice clean chart that you can share with coworkers or your boss or whoever needs to see the data. We're going to create regular charts. We're going to use our spreadsheet and we're going to create a pie chart which breaks down all of our building materials into costs so you can, with just a glance at a chart, see that, for instance, your flooring takes up 41% of the cost of your kitchen. We're also going to do line charts and bar charts as well. And I'm going to walk you through each of these, and I'm going to go through it step by step to create it from scratch. So by the time you're done with this, you'll be able to do any of these on your own. We're going to check out some of the new features for Excel 2016. And I'm going to show you how to take a table of information like this and create a 3D map out of it. And here's just an example of what this 3D map looks like. Just fun new features for Excel 2016. I'm going to show you where to go to save and back up your work, how to save in different ways, as different files, different file types, and how to create backups to protect your work to prevent lost data when mistakes are made. I'm going to show you all about printing. I'm going to show you how to do a print preview, how to format your printing in a number of different ways to make your reports and charts and spreadsheets display well when shared with others. I'll show you how to import data from other sources, including Access databases, CSV files and other text files, and even from the internet. I'm going to show you the most important keyboard shortcuts so you can work quickly and effectively. And just to give you a quick example, here's one. If you hit Control Home, it's going to bring your cursor up to the top, the very first cell. If you hit Control Shift Arrow, you'll select a whole bunch of cells. And if you hit Control End, it'll take you to the last active cell in your workbook. And those are just some really simple examples, but I'm going to show you a ton of shortcut keys that you can use to work quickly and effectively. I'm also going to teach you a number of different macros, and macros are really intimidating to a lot of people, and they were to me as well. But I'm going to show you how you can learn how to do macros to automate a whole bunch of actions into one simple keystroke. And here's an example where we have a number of headings, Sunday through Saturday, and with the click of one shortcut key, Control Shift F, we can instantly format all of those headings exactly how we want them to be. Okay? And finally, I'm going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough of the ribbon here and all of these different tabs, and I'm going to cover almost every single one of these items. Within each tab, there will be a couple things I don't cover because they're just not that important, or they're things that you won't probably ever use, but I'm going to cover over 90% of all of the things in this toolbar, all the way through formulas, data, review, view, and the developer tab. I'm going to walk you through all of those things, and my goal, the purpose of that, is so that when you go to Excel at your job, you'll feel confident and competent that you can understand what's happening in Excel, you can speak intelligently about Excel, and most importantly, you can use Excel to make your life and your work easier. So that's just a highlight of some of the things that we're going to learn. There's a ton more that I'm going to go through, and every bit of it is step by step. It's going to go at a nice, comfortable pace for the beginning learner, and it's designed to take you from beginner to pro in the shortest possible amount of time. So thank you so much for joining the course, and let's dive right in.